So, we just got our first official look at the Galaxy Watch Ultra and its shocking price. And let me tell you, this will either leave you scratching your head or reaching for your wallet. What's up guys, Sal here, and some high-quality renders of the Galaxy Watch Ultra that Samsung uses for their website got leaked. Instead of the classic round design, Samsung's going for a bold square meets round squircle with the Watch Ultra. It definitely breaks the mold. There's also a new orange button on the right side, which could be a rotating crown, or a regular button is hard to tell from the images. But from my sources, it's an action button that you can customize similar to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra. The leak showcases the Watch Ultra in black, grey, white, silver color options, both seemingly sporting a titanium build. Both come with sporty bands. Plus, there's also going to be an orange band, which according to people who've tried the watch, looks incredible. Now, in the past, you might have heard me saying that design is subjective, and this watch is a prime example. Remember when we discussed the Watch Ultra based on OnLeak's renders? You guys were split 50-50 between loving and hating the new design. Personally, I'm not a fan, especially the white version, which I find pretty ugly, though the black one is a bit better. Maybe the design will grow on people, but for now, it's clear that the Galaxy Watch Ultra will become a conversation starter on your wrist. Now, here's where things get interesting and potentially concerning, because the price of the Galaxy Watch Ultra is an even bigger shocker than its design. Leaked US pricing suggests the Watch 7 stays at the Watch 6's price point, $290 for the 40mm variant, thing familiar design with upgraded internals. But the Watch Ultra, praise yourself, is rumored to be a whopping $700. That's a massive jump from Samsung's current priciest wearable, the WhatsApp's Classic at $480. Sure, the Galaxy Watch Ultra boasts major upgrades in display, battery and more, but $700? It's just $100 shy of the latest Galaxy S24 phone. I know the Apple Watch Ultra costs even more at $800, but let's be real. Apple has a fiercely loyal fan base, willing to pay a premium. I mean, these are the people who paid $20 per a microfiber cloth. Samsung, while boasting a strong following, might need to tread carefully with this price tag because they don't have the same mad level of fan loyalty as Apple. So it's uncertain how this will impact sales. I predict a drop in sales compared to the more reasonably priced Watch 6 Classic, but we'll have to wait and see. We also have another leak showing the charging case for the Galaxy Ring. The image shows it in its charging case, which looks a lot like the ones for the I'll See Buds. However, this one has a pillar on the bottom half to hold the ring and a circle on the top half to help center it. We also have leaked official specs for the Watch Ultra showing some big upgrades. Click here to watch the video and I'll see you there.